Is Uber finally increasing pay for drivers? Find out in today's video. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. This is a channel specifically for Uber and Lyft drivers as well as passengers. So if you drive for Uber or for Lyft, give the video a big thumbs up before we get started. If you like making money, give the video a big thumbs up. If you like these videos that I make, please give the video a big thumbs up. And consider subscribing. You do not have to subscribe, but if you do, you will get notified every time I post a video. And if you really want to get notified, you can turn on that little notification bell. I personally like that. I do that with all my favorite YouTube channels just so I can get, I turn on my notifications on my phone. That way, I'm walking around chilling. I get a notification that my favorite YouTuber posted a video. I'm like, okay, cool. Now I'm the first person to know. And a lot of these are breaking news stories, so if you want to be the first one to know, you can ring that little, click that little bell for post notifications. All right, so in today's video, guys, Uber Newsroom, doing more for drivers with important tools and useful information. So is Uber finally increasing pay for drivers? As you can see here, they say doing more for drivers. This was June 20th, so this was just a couple of days ago, guys. I am a couple days late, but I thought I would still get this out there. Millions of drivers around the world use Uber to access and participate in independent work. Independent, not employment. Note that specificity. I'll get into more of that later. They come from all walks of life, have a variety of needs, and expect work to fit around their lives. Flexibility is crucial. That's true. It's one of the most important things drivers and delivery partners for Uber Eats say they value and love about our platform. That's exactly what I like. Flexibility also enables us to support those earnings from primary income with Uber as well as for those with a side gig. Gig Mobile, shout out to Gig Mobile. In either case, as more and more spend time on the road, we're moving in parallel by making important improvements to their experience on our platform. To that end, we're extending a helping hand to drivers so their first trips are less intimidating. So now they're doing a simulated trip for drivers. Top opportunities. This is the important part right here. Driving with Uber is flexible. This is an increase in pay, potentially. But not all minutes are equal. We know drivers plan their time strategically and want informed choices about when and where to go. That's why we're piloting top opportunities, a feature which will present suggestions with top earnings opportunities and a more easily digestible in-app feed complementing Trip Planner. This information includes peak earning hours, promotions, on upcoming events in a city, and Uber Pro status updates, which will be visitor and go online. Yeah, I mean, I have been getting these recently. Let me know if you guys have been getting these. $10 extra by completing 30 trips from Monday through Friday. Get 3 points per trip. That's Uber Pro. Auto accept. Now you can turn on auto accept so that you just don't have to, click yes. That's not me. That is another guy. He looks really happy in there. Extra long trip notifications. Drivers told us they appreciate long trip notifications. I definitely do that. When we choose not to want additional insight when trip information is expected longer. Now this pie will show the drivers estimated minutes to destination for extra long pickups. We're evaluating this feature to create more consistency on longer trip pickups and reduce rider cancellations. This is, from 180 days of change, blah, blah, blah. Ooh, look at that. That's a sick photo, by the way. That guy looks really happy. She looks pretty happy, too. She doesn't look so happy. So yeah, guys, I don't know. Is Uber finally increasing pay for drivers with those little extra bonuses here and there? I don't know if this is just like a little pilot, but hopefully this does lead to more ways for drivers to make money. I hope this is not the compromise that they were talking about because it doesn't seem that substantial. But I am looking forward to the, what's it called? The compromise that Uber and Lyft have been talking about because of this employment bill in Cali, baby. So I'll keep you guys updated with that. But for now, let me know what you guys think of this, top opportunities thing that they're doing. And I will talk to y'all soon. All right, bye guys.